Hi everybody, welcome. Coming to you from St. Lucia. Hope everybody's safe and healthy. Today I'm going to prepare a very healthy recipe for everybody. It's a Caribbean recipe. It's going to feature red snapper or any kind of fish for that matter that you'd like to use. If you don't have a good fishmonger in the States or in Europe or anywhere else, just go to the frozen food section of your grocery store and try to find a light flesh fish, maybe a mahi-mahi, maybe an orange roughy, even tilapia will work. Whatever works for you, this recipe will work. So we're gonna start with our blend, our spice blend, because it's an island spiced snapper. So we're gonna start with 2 teaspoons of sugar. I have everything pre-portioned here to make it easier for everybody. We have 2 teaspoons of salt. And we have garlic powder in here, we have cayenne pepper, we have black pepper, we have onion powder, we have ground thyme, we have salt, we have allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon, sugar, and ginger. Okay, everybody following? So here's our spice blend, and here's our beautiful snapper, which we will take. We will dust with our spice blend. Make sure the fish is dry because you don't want it when it hits the pan to be wet. And then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of flour. Okay? The flour will help it stabilize and also will help not to make the fish stick as well. We have our 2 fillets and get a nice non-stick pan. A little sprinkling of flour. When we see it coming up, we'll know that it's ready for the fish. Okay. And we're ready to go. You can see it bubbling. That means we're ready to go. When you add your fish, make sure that you don't try to turn it prematurely. Let it stay at least 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You want to get that nice caramelized color because that's going to give it the flavor, the natural sugars from the fish. Is going to caramelize the protein. Perfectly seared. If you try to turn it prematurely, it'll stick to the pan. So basically what you want to do is leave it until it's easy to turn and it doesn't stick. Another 2 to 3 minutes on this side, and now we can lower the heat because we want it to cook right through. Also now it's our mango salsa for the fish, and we will start with deglazing the pan with some white wine. We want to keep our fish warm until our salsa is ready. So we'll keep it in our salamander. For our salsa we will add some chopped garlic. Please try to keep it in this order. Some diced onion, diced sweet pepper, and roasted corn. let that cook through about a minute and a half, 2 minutes. Turn the fire off and finish it with your cilantro. A little bit of salt and a squeeze of fresh lime. And olive oil. Okay, our salsa is ready and we're ready to plate. So this dish goes very well with black beans and rice, which I've cooked in a fish stock with coconut milk, some fresh thyme, some fresh basil, a little bit of garlic, salt and pepper. And for presentation, we're using a banana leaf. Since we're in the Caribbean, this is a tropic, so we want to keep things tropical. We have our fish here. We have our mango and roasted corn salsa. We want a little crunch, so we fried up some green bananas for crunch and some texture. But you can do whatever you want. If you want to do some plantain, green plantain, you can do that. If you want to do some potato chips, whatever, just to give us a little bit of a crunch. Some fresh herbs to garnish and also for flavor. A little bit more cilantro. A little bit of olive oil. Then a small sprinkling of our dry spice. Some lime. And we're ready to go. Our island spiced fish with a mango and roasted corn salsa, black beans and coconut rice. Enjoy it, everybody. Stay strong. Stay safe, and most importantly, stay healthy. We'll see you soon down in Paradise, St. Lucia, Coconut Bay, and Serenity, Coconut Bay. Enjoy the dish, everybody. Take care.